For years, the dream of 3D printing our buildings has been just that, a dream. We've seen countless innovators try to scale the technology, hoping to build homes faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. Yet, for all the impressive prototypes, a world of 3D printed houses has remained just out of reach. Until now. Something monumental just happened in Germany. The first ever 3D printed home has been completed, and more importantly, it's been fully certified under the country's strict building regulations. This isn't just another prototype. It's a game changer for the entire construction industry. Imagine cutting waste, slashing time on site, and solving labor shortages. 3D printing could be the answer to some of our world's biggest challenges. From small-scale models, the technology has evolved to create full-scale bridges in homes. Dubai even wants to 3D print a quarter of its new buildings by 2030. But the house in Beckham, Germany, is what will truly change everything. Developed by the firm Piri, this 2-story, 160-square-meter family home isn't just a structure. It's a blueprint for the future. By smashing the barrier of national building accreditation, it paves the way for larger, more complex projects. In fact, Piri is already working on Europe's largest 3D printed apartment building. So, how did they do it? Piri has a think tank dedicated to disruptive technologies. They didn't just monitor 3D printing, they dove in headfirst. One of their experts described the moment they started printing on site, realizing people would actually live there. It wasn't theory anymore, it was real. They used a modular printing system from Cobod that needs just 2 operators and can be set up in under 48 hours. Once running, it prints at an incredible 1 meter per second, guided by precise digital models. But why hasn't this tech gone mainstream sooner? Because it's not just about printing walls. It's about integrating the entire construction process, from planning and permits to plumbing and electrical work. Early projects were like big printed pots where other trades were just thrown in afterward. There was no real integration. What makes the German project so different is that PERI treated it like a real-world residential building from day one. They worked with architects and construction companies who wanted to build homes, not just demos. Getting certified under Germany's tough building codes was a huge milestone. It proved this was a viable, safe, and reliable way to build. The key was integrating all the other trades right from the design phase, and the results are astounding. Because everything is planned digitally, errors on site are almost completely eliminated. An electrician on one of the projects estimated he'd save up to 12 days of labor. Why? Because every single outlet and pipe rot is pre-planned in the print. No more cutting slots or drilling holes. While the savings on a single house are notable, imagine scaling that across an entire housing development. The impact on time, money, and waste would be massive. Of course, we're not going to see 3D printed cities pop up overnight. A major challenge is educating a traditionally conservative industry. Planners, contractors, electricians, everyone involved has to learn how to work with this new technology. But the goal isn't to replace conventional methods entirely. It's about adding a powerful new tool to our toolkit. One that makes construction safer, more efficient, and allows for more creative designs, like sustainable, rounded shapes instead of boring boxes. The success of this project in Germany marks a major step forward. It has rekindled the determination to make 3D printing a scalable, mainstream reality. That future we've all imagined, one built layer by layer, just got one giant leap closer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more about the future of construction, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one.